The Home Shield: How to Protect Your House Without Inviting Trouble. 1. The dilemma? A personal residence is not just an address, it's the financial and emotional anchor of most families. Yet, doctors, contractors, and business owners often forget that their home is a prime target for lawsuits. The question is simple: should the title stay in one's name, or be transferred to an LLC or trust? So what does that actually mean? It means there's a balance to strike between liability protection, lender compliance, and privacy. One misstep can trigger the due on sale clause in a mortgage or cause an insurer to deny coverage. The goal isn't to hide from the bank or the IRS, it's to keep opportunists and litigants at a safe legal distance. Footnote: Asset protection for a personal residence involves balancing liability limits, lender requirements, and ownership transparency. 2. Option A, the Wyoming LLC. For homeowners in states without strong homestead protections, a Wyoming LLC can provide both privacy and insulation from personal liability. Wyoming is unique, it doesn't disclose member or manager names. On paper, the property belongs to an anonymous entity, not to you. So what does that actually mean? It means when someone searches public records, they'll find an LLC, not your name, address, or equity. However, this strategy only fits certain profiles. If there's an active mortgage, transferring the title to an LLC can awaken the dreaded due on sale clause. The bank might call the note, demanding full repayment. Still, for debt-free properties or those with minimal homestead protection, the Wyoming LLC offers a firewall of privacy. When properly structured, it shields the home from personal creditors while keeping your identity off the radar, though, expect the state tax board to get curious. Footnote: A Wyoming LLC provides anonymity and protection but may trigger mortgage acceleration if a lender's consent isn't secured. 3. Option B, the Home Trust. When a mortgage exists, a home trust is often the smarter move. Unlike a living trust, which focuses on estate transfer, a home trust is engineered for privacy and title shielding. Its goal: remove your name from public records without alarming the lender. So what does that actually mean? It means the property deed lists a trustee, not you, as the owner. The lender sees no sale, so the due on sale clause sleeps quietly. The trick is using a nominee trustee, a temporary name that appears on record, then resigns immediately after the deed transfer. You or your spouse become the new trustees behind the scenes, restoring control without sacrificing privacy. This setup creates an invisible wall between you and the property. If a personal judgment hits, say your teenager causes an accident, the creditor can't attach it to your home. They'll find the green roof trust, not you. Footnote: A home trust uses a nominee trustee to obscure ownership while maintaining lender compliance and homestead protection. 4. Key mistakes to avoid. Moving title is only half the battle. Homeowners often forget to update their insurance policies. Whether the home sits in an LLC or a trust, the new entity must be added to the policy. Otherwise, the insurer could deny a claim faster than a lawyer finds a loophole. So what does that actually mean? It means if your home burns down and your policy still lists you, not your trust or LLC, the payout could vanish in technical smoke. Another common error: assuming anonymity equals immunity. Even the best structure can fail if the paperwork is sloppy, inconsistent, or never recorded. Footnote: Insurance coverage must reflect current ownership entities to preserve claim validity and liability protection. 5. Bonus layer, the umbrella policy. Think of an umbrella policy as the final layer of armor. It's cheap, comprehensive, and perfect for lazy nights when you don't want to think about asset structure ever again. No matter how perfect the LLC or trust, lawsuits are unpredictable. Umbrella insurance soaks up the overflow. So what does that actually mean? It means instead of betting your home on paperwork, you're letting your insurer take the first punch. It's not fancy, but it's effective. Footnote: Umbrella coverage supplements structural asset protection by absorbing excess liability beyond policy limits. 6. The big picture. The right plan depends on where you live, how you hold your equity, and whether you still owe the bank. States like Texas or Florida already grant unlimited homestead protection, lucky you. For everyone else, a properly drafted home trust or Wyoming LLC keeps predators guessing and lenders calm. So what does that actually mean? It means you don't need to live in fear, just live prepared. The goal isn't to dodge the system, but to work smarter within it. The house stays safe, the paperwork stays clean, and your name stays out of the gossip pages. Footnote. Strategic structuring of ownership preserves home equity while maintaining compliance with mortgage and property laws.